Do you want your very own 100% custom-made bonus? If so, you are going to love what I'm going to tell you about. I've never done this before. I'm pretty sure nobody in their right mind has ever done this before, and I probably will never do it again because it is going to be a lot of work for me. But this is my way of giving back to you, to my customers, to say thank you for being a part of this community. And so I'm going to give you something that is truly insane. Just wait, I'm going to explain to you all about it. It's coming up in my review of the gold standard. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, you know the drill by now. Go ahead, feel free to skip ahead. My jokes, yeah, they're as bad as this burger that I just bought. You know, I stopped at a place that calls themselves a barbecue joint and got a burger for dinner. It's awful. I mean, how do you call yourself a barbecue joint? And they're not cheap, by the way. They try to be $15 for a burger. Okay. You know, I figure, you know, okay, I'm paying more because it's a quality burger. It's not the cheap crap that you get at a fast food place. I'm not going to name names, McDonald's, not name names, but seriously, anyway. But, you know, like, and it was awful, awful. Yeah, that's life here in New York, but go figure. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. Seriously, boy, this one I really like. That's one of the reasons I'm willing to offer such a crazy bonus on this thing. Okay, so pay attention because you're going to learn something too. This is really cool. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work, if I like a product, I will give it to match the product credit. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Who can get angry at Liz? Anyhow, if you are new, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure they like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the gold standard. It's the latest course from my friend Dawud Islam. Dawud is like, he pumps out courses constantly, crazy with the courses, but this one I really actually liked quite a bit because it's a little bit different than what you usually see. And my bonus is directly tied into this course. So the idea of this course is basically making money without having to appear on camera at all. Okay, I know a lot of people are camera shy. They don't like to do it. They don't want to put themselves out there, and that's fine. And you know, I know in the past I've offered PLR to some of my own products or other products, whatever, that you can use, you know, for your own business, and those are great. But I'm going to do something very, very crazy, and this will be strictly limited to the first 35 people who sign up. Not even 50, because frankly, usually I would do 50, but this time I have to limit it to 35 because frankly, I'm going to be really busy and it's going to be first come, first serve. So here's the deal. Basically, what you're going to get from me is your own custom-made bonus product. Okay, now, unlike what I've done in the past, where basically I would give you your own custom-made sales page for one of my products, or I would give you your own custom-made, give you PLR to one of my existing products. These are going to be custom-made videos just for you that you can sell or give away. So you have two options available. Option number one is that you can do an interview with me. The interview lasts around 10 to 15 minutes. And the interview can become a bonus product, or you can sell it, do whatever you want. Okay. The other option, because I know some people don't want to appear on camera, and this thing I'm going to show you in a minute, just there's some really cool ideas here about not appearing on camera if you don't want to do that. But option number two is something that frankly is completely bonkers, that I've never seen anybody do something like this before, but I'm going to do it because, well, I do crazy bonuses all the time. So option number two is going to be that you get to choose the topic. Obviously, that's something I know about. So if you want me to do a bonus about, I don't know, weight loss, you know, I, I don't know much about weight loss. I'm sorry. I mean, you know, I know I do work out occasionally. I go for a lot of walks, but I don't know much about weight loss. If you need a bonus about septic tanks, I'm probably not your man either. But if you need something about sales techniques, about driving traffic, you know, making money online, pretty much anything that you know, if you've been on my channel, you know by now who I am, what I can do for you. Any of these kind of topics, anything about YouTube videos, about making video, about video editing, if you want me to do video editing, if you want me to do how to make podcasts, for example, any of these kinds of things that, you know, I do know how to do, and anything to do with sales or with marketing or even just self-confidence, appearing on video, any of those kinds of things, whatever you want. You just let me know what it is that you want, and for every uh, purchase, you get a 10-minute video made for you, custom made just for you. This is going to be, obviously, it's not necessarily a full product, but it's from a pretty big name. Not to toot my own horn, but I am pretty well known. You're going to get your own custom made video just from me that you can sell or give away as your bonus. Pick up any upgrade. I'm going to make a 20-minute video. Okay, now here's where it's going to get really insane. If you pick up the full funnel of the gold standard, like all the upgrades, I think there's like 4 or 5 upgrades. I'm not just going to make you, first of all, if you pick up the full upgrade, I'm going to give you a 30-minute video. All right, or you can have 2 15-minute videos if you prefer, your choice, or three 20-minute, 3 10-minute videos, whatever you want to break it up. You have those 30 minutes. But it's not just going to be 30 minutes, okay? It's also going to be a custom-made sales page. Now, you've seen my sales pages on my products in the past. You know I make great sales pages. We're going to custom make a sales page just for you with your own sales video, and you know, all the copy written out for you. Only if you pick up the full funnel. Okay, so pick up the entire funnel of the gold standard, and basically you are going to get a 30-minute product made by me. Okay, so that's either 3 10-minute videos, 2 15-minute videos, or 1 30-minute video. Okay, and you can do that either with me discussing whatever topic you ask for, or you can do that with as an interview. Okay, and my staff is going to create a custom-made sales page that you can deploy for your product. So if you want to use it for giving away to build your list, that's fine. We'll make you a sales page to sell it, to give it away. If you want to sell it, you can sell it. Whatever you want to do, it's going to be your own custom-made product. Okay, so again, pick up the gold standard, which is like $10, I think. Let's check. I don't remember. $10, $12, something like that. $12. Okay. Seriously, $11.95. Pick this up. You get a 10-minute bonus product custom made for you by me. Now that can either be in the form of an interview where you will interview me via Zoom, we'll record it, and you'll be able to, you know, go ahead and use that. Or you can get a custom-made video from me, and you don't have to appear on camera. You don't have to do a single thing, except just tell me, hey, Eric, I want a video about driving traffic. I want a video about solo ads. I want a video about making money off of YouTube. I want a video about Instagram. I want a video about how things work on Warrior Plus. I want a video about finding affiliates. I want a video about sales. I want a video about marketing, whatever you want. Okay, as long as it's something that obviously I'm capable of making for you, because I don't want to give you something that it's not going to be good. You know, I don't want to, you know, if you happen to be selling, for example, CBD oils, I know nothing about CBD oils. I'm sorry. But that's just not going to be something I can do for you. I can give you a video about, you know, budgeting your time and being able to, you know, be at peace and, you know, deal with the ups and downs of life. That I can do for you. Got plenty of things to say about that. But if it needs to be about CBD oil, for example, I don't know anything about CBD oil. I know a lot of people sell it. I know it's very popular. Not something I can do for you personally. But that's basically what you get. You get a 10-minute video, roughly 10 minutes. I mean, it could be, you know, 10, 12, 15 minutes, whatever, but roughly 10 minutes. pick up any upgrade, we're going to double the size of the video. Okay, and if you pick up the full funnel, and by the way, this is very specific, pick up the basic product, you get a 10-minute video, roughly 10 minutes, pick up an upgrade, you get a 20-minute video. Any upgrade, you get a 20-minute video. There's and then the only other option is going to be if you pick up the entire funnel, you get 30 minutes, either as 3 separate videos or as one single video or 2 videos, however you want it broken up. Plus, my staff will create a custom-made sales page that you can install. We'll give you the software to install it. It's completely going to be for free. We're going to and we'll write the whole thing up for you. It'll be completely ready to go. All you're going to have to do is plug in your JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or whatever it is, or even if you just want to put in like a link, to sign up for your email list, that's fine too. You're going to get that custom-made sales page from my staff. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members there, because there's really some really interesting stuff here. So Irinzi Gold is Dawa's partner on this. He's the one who actually is teaching the course. And, there's the usual stuff about finding affiliate offers on, Warrior Plus and JVZoo and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I love the piggyback method. This was really, really cool. Fiverr gigs I was less excited about, but it's a nice idea. Okay, and of course, he's got a lot about making your videos unique, a lot about how to make thumbnails and all that kind of good stuff. And really, really a very, very impressive course that I was super duper excited about. And so, yeah, definitely worth picking this up regardless. But when you consider the crazy bonus, and we're limiting it strictly to the first 35. And of course, it is first come, first serve. So if you're number 35, you're going to be waiting a couple of weeks to get your custom made product made by me, obviously, because it's going to take my time to do it. Yeah, we're ready to roll for you. We're ready to make this happen for you, and it's going to be really, really cool. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it to Matt, the product creator, or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you demand. Okay, I really liked the course a lot. I thought it was great. I thought it was well put together with a lot of great ideas that I haven't seen anywhere else. And when you consider my insane bonus, well, it's pretty much a no-brainer. Go ahead and grab this one. This one you're going to love.